Hello friends, in this video we are going to do the settings of single-phase digital starter. In this video I am explaining to you how to do the wiring and setting. To do the wiring, first of all you have to enter the input here. You have to connect the supply which will come from RYB, your main supply. It will be connected here. After that the pump wire has to be connected here RY. Also in sensor, if your underhead tank is there, then underhead under tank, which is same tank. Its connection has to be given here as a sensor, and if there is an overhead tank, then the sensor connection is to be given here if you have an overhead tank and an underhead tank. If there is no underground tank, then you have to short these three. There is common and and here in common and you will find. I have to connect the overhead sensor now. After doing this, you have to press the set key to make the settings. If you press and hold the set key for a while, the OL setting will appear. We are assuming 4 amperes for the pump. We have not connected any load right now. It is a single HP pump. If it is taking 4 ampere load, then we set its overload 20% higher. Always we have just set up the pipe such that we can go down through it, and with this we can make it up. So we're setting it to 5 amperes. To set, press and hold the set key for a while and the next setting will appear. There is a dry run setting in it. Dry run is your 20% less running current, so we set it to 3 amperes. After setting 3 amperes, we again press the set key for a while and it gets set. Off timer is coming, which is the function of cyclic timer in it, so you have to select it in off timer. Suppose you want to turn on the pump once in 12 hours, then you can set it in off timer here. If you set it for 11 hours, your pump will turn on for 1 hour and then turn off again. 11 hours, then whenever the tank gets full it will turn off, after that again after 11 hours. When it starts, this is the function of a cyclic timer, but we have not yet set any timer. We don't want to do this, so we go ahead to the settings and then press the set key again. If we keep it, then we will come out of the settings. All the settings have been completed. After that there is a note that you should read a system before doing the settings. You have to keep it in manual mode and check by switching it on how many amperes your pump shows. Here you are keeping it in manual mode and the switch given on the side is manual. You have to turn it on in manual mode, and after turning it on, check it. How many amperes are coming here? After that you have to turn it off and then do the setting. So these settings have been completed, so we are ending this video now, finally complete. These settings have been done. These are the settings. After this you do not have to do anything. You can then operate it in auto or manually as well. Okay.